This is trailing edge flap transmission torque trip indicator. This extends when the torque through the transmission is too high. High torque condition occurs if a flap drive system is jammed or during rigging or intermittently during normal operation. Even if it is extended, the trailing edge flap can operate normally. In case if it is extended, do not reset it at once. First, do an operational test of trailing edge flap with normal system. If the trailing edge flap operates normally, then you can reset it by pressing the indicator inside. If the trailing edge flap does not operate in normal operation, then we have to continue with fault isolation procedure as per FIM. This is power drive unit. The arrow shows the drain port of power drive unit. The fill port is near the manual drive cover. You can see the drain port clearly now. Now we will go to the fill port. This is the manual drive cover and this is the fill port of PDU. When installing the power drive unit, this white cable guard should be between the black mark on the cable drum. This is the drain and this is the fill port of electric motor. This is the fill port of transmission. There are 8 trailing edge flap transmissions. Fill port. This transmission is on the wing. Many times you can see dents or delaminations here. Here also you can see delamination. Sometimes the seals will be misplaced. You can see the flap attachment to the carriage. The leading edge panel of the flaps are removable. They are like panels only. These panels can be removed. This is the track. This leading edge panel can be removed. This panel also can be removed. The boom cable is inside it. It is for aft flap actuation. This is the downstop of inboard flap, inboard transmission. This is carriage bushing, gimbal, and this is the ball screw nut. To remove flap, first we need to remove the forward fairing. Then the aft fairing. Mount bolt is here. The aircraft is prepared for the removal of flap. You can see all the panels removed. The skew link rod and the aft flap actuation rod are disconnected. Check the threads between the two stops. This is the carriage attachment area. This is the down stop. Here also check the number of threads between the two stops. Okay, now the flap is removed.